Yo. Hi. So. Oh shit. It's 3 a.m. right now. And your boy kinda bottom ticked London again. Let me pull up the screenshots on my phone. Alright, so this was last night at 10. It's now 3 a.m. Limits 017.75, not paper. 017.75. Exact same entry. So, about to hit TP. I think it's what? 1900 sunlight. Let's hope it hits during the duration of this recap. So I'm gonna go over the trade real quick. And so it's going to the daily. Pretty choppy, but if we scale down lower, if you guys are aware of yesterday's price action, very, very bullish. And yeah, very, very bullish. So yesterday we formed this order block. It's pink candle right here. I'm not gonna draw everything out because it's messy, but we have this, right? 4 hour. So we tap into it. So I'm gonna speak in terms of this pink candle because this is where price was when I was looking for the trade. So this is what I'm gonna be using as a reference point. So we just tapped into it. We went down here, but then we were rejecting like around to this point right now, or at the time. And I had, hold on, let me pull up the screenshots as well. I've been sending my levels to another friend because he's learning, and he uses order flow and stuff. So, all right, 3:40 in the afternoon. Wait, no, that's right now. What time is this? Let me check. That was 5:35 p.m. for me. So I was watching 25. Okay, let's first go to 5:35. Where price is at 5:35 for me. 5:35 would be 5:35. New York is 3 hours ahead, so 8:45. 8:45. All right, so price was right here at the time. 8:45, and it was right in the middle of Asia session. So I had standard deviation here, and as you see, negative 1.5, we caused this huge wick reaction down. That's what validated the standard deviation for me, and I wanted to see negative. No. It was this green one. Go away, bro. All right, this, huh? I don't know. Well, this -1 caused this reaction down. Wait, what? Am I regurgitated? Oh, don't lie to me, bro. Fucking, this is a perfect rejection block, bro. But I really want that TP. Please, please, please. Don't do this to me, Speed. Watch trader get liquidated 4 points away from TP. Fuck. Come on. Alright. Basically, I think I'm special. I can't see my trade that I wanted happening. Oh, it's this wick. My bad. Alright, -1 for this standard deviation. This wick right here. We came up and then we tapped it. And then it's this move down right here. We moved down 40 points, which was a lot because we weren't in a session. Or Asia just started. So 40 points for -1 is pretty damn good. Oops. So I was looking for the -2 to short. I still have that on. So as you see right here, 154.25. Looking at 154.25 for shorts. B tier setup, standard deviation along with sweeping higher time frame liquidity on the 1 hour. If we were right here, we have all of this 1 hour liquidity and this huge fair value gap. Bro, can we not, please? I don't want to do this, bro. Fuck. Oh, I need to blow my nose. Alright, this is looking better. Please, I wanna watch TP before I keep explaining. Por favor. Motherfucker, please. It's $100 away. Come on now. Fuck you. Fuck you. I have PTSD from this shit, bro. This happened to me so many times. Like, it used the very last, like, it followed all of my other confluences, literally bottom ticked to this whole range, bottom ticked 90 points, and then it respects the very, very final little rejection block, or whatever, PD array, and then I get trailed out. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. 10 RR complete. 10 RR complete. Alright, let's get back to the explanation. So, at this yellow line in time, -1 reacted, right? So, I was looking to take the -2. I signaled it, blah, blah, blah. But then, this shit happened, which I was not expecting, and I don't know why. However, it was at 10:30 on the dot, if you look at the bottom. So, I'm guessing it was some type of news or whatever. So I told him, pull it up. Let me pull it up. I did a little bit of an oopsie, but I swear I'm not LARPing. 7:54 p.m. So that would be 10:54 p.m. right? 10:54. 10:54 right here. So now we move over here. I was out. I had oh shit. So the whole time I had short limits right here, right? And I saw this dump and I told him I'm taking it off. He should dump without me. But then before the dump, a nice deviation formed that I could have logged off of at the end, which was this right here. We accumulated and then we dumped. And we rejected off the -2 and -2.5 range right here and had this really, really nice rejection block. And market was right here by the next time I checked my phone. So I checked my phone here, had the limits, and then I didn't check until this point, and I saw all this shit and I said remove limit, and then I said long limit 0.75.75 10 point stop TP Asia high, which was this trade right here, but I was on my phone and I think I misclicked. The level was 0.17.75, but I typed it wrong. I typed 0.75 and I just typed that, but I have screenshots of this before I slept, so either way, whatever. So reason behind this trade, first of all, I'm personally very bullish, right? I initially wanted the price to go up here to -2, to my -2. So that being said, Asia having rebalanced downwards, and me being very, very bullish, and let me delete some unnecessary stuff. So if we use the whole range of Asia, what? That's the second time that's done that. I don't know, that's weird. Anyways, so if we use the whole range of Asia, the fib, 0.79 is perfectly aligned with the 5-minute rejection block CE. Whoa! What makes this a really, really valid rejection block? Middle of Asia, high volume trades, tapped into standard deviation. Boom, boom. Even on the 1 minute, the shit rejected hard. So that shows very, very, very strong liquidity right here. Although there were a few rejection blocks I could have taken, which, like, for example, the 1 minute CE would have been down here, or the 15 minute, which I have marked out as well. I'm pretty sure it's this one, this dotted line. That was the 15-minute CE, but guess why I took the 5-minute one? Because it aligned with OTE 0.79. So, hold on, I need to blow my nose again, sorry. My bad. Alright, so to keep it simple, for one, my bias is bullish. I'm looking for -2, so I want price to come up here, right? Two, Asia had a manipulation move to the downside, and tapped into my standard deviation, forming this huge rejection block, which is very good for longing off if I am bullish, which I am. And guess what? Rejection block CE aligns with the whole range's OTE. So I use the rejection block on the time frame that's CE aligns most well with OTE, which was the 5-minute one, which was at 0.17175, in which I put limits, in which I bottom tick the market with maybe 1 tick of drawdown. 1 tick. 1 tick. 1 tick. 1 tick of drawdown. Very, very nice. 96 points. Boom. 10 are confirmed. If I was greedy, I would still take these like that, but and then TP would probably be like well, as of right now, I'll just do a conservative TP, probably at this this first CISD right here. So something like that. 1500, still not bad. But I would probably wait until the tops and then lower time frame, do a standard deviation. Something like that, I don't know. And then target something like that. But done for the day. Let me go to the gym. Something like 1900. Hope this wasn't too long. Damn, 17 minutes. I need to do these like less than 10 minutes, but there's the trade recap. Have a great day.